Hi, welcome to my channel Neopos Academy. Today I'll show you how to install software Blender 3D and your computer. Go to installation. Step 1. Unclick to this icon. I'm not preparing to install. Step 2. On this icon, I'm not while the setup was preparing to get your through the installation. Unclick the next. Step 3. On this time, I'm watching this icon, this window. This window is to read the following license agreement carefully. For continuing installation, accept the term in the license agreement. Select I accept the term and the license agreement. So unclick the next. Step 3. On this window, show watch custom sidechain. Select the way you want battery to be installed. Click the icon in the tray below to change the way battery build installation. Unclick the next for continuing installation. Step 4. Ready to install Blender. Click the install to begin the installation. Click back to review or change any of your installation settings. Click the X to wizard. Click to install for continuing the installation. Guys, like my video and subscribe in my channel. I'm not the setup wizard installation by Blender in your computer. This step is running to some time. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe in my channel and like my video and watching more information and listen to my channel. Blender is a good open source software for creating the 3D animation and 2D and edit the video for your job and watch comparing your new file. Attending the installation for continuing. Blender is finish the installation. On this icon click the finish for finish the installation. Go to surface for Blender Studio 3D. Blender Studio 3D is create the animation for cartoon, for videos, for any more animation. Guys, this lesson is finished. Thank you for watching. Like my video and share my video and subscribe in my channel. Thank you for watching and goodbye.